Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It was a live musical showcase as reggae artist Tarrus Riley hosted the 10th staging of his Let Live Music Live concert at Emancipation Park. The event saw dancehall and reggae artists Governor Jesse Royal, Naomi Cowan, Dexter Daps, Ching Ching and Beanie Man, among a slew of others supporting the event.
I feel like we all have vibes today. We don't want to vibes with me. All right. We better done. Everything we're done. We better done.
This year's free concert was under the theme Just Love and saw patrons out in their numbers having a good time at another successful staging of the event. The concert was halted last year due to Riley's busy schedule. However, the My Life Singer is happy with this year's event and looks forward to the 2020 staging.
I feel great and the thoughts are great. It's fun. Me always enjoy it. We never want it to finish, you know. A good vibe. Yeah, last year we couldn't do it because I made a travel enough for the whole Tarrus Riley thing, so I never get for plan it. I mean, I just want to plan it right way, properly design it. If you notice, the chair them nice, the thing them set up backstage look, you know, presentable. So I want to do it like that, or else I made have to just love it last year, so we're ready again this year.
Meanwhile, E-Prime spoke with dancehall artist Governor, who is also part of the lineup. The artist is in good spirits as he gears up to release his debut album dubbed Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same.
Right now, I'm super proud. I feel good within myself. You know what I mean? If you know, say, yo, Jano, if it takes so long, for get the break, probably 10, 11 years. And forget the break, and probably like my second year after I'm getting break, I can put out such a body of work, you know what I mean, in which it already connect already, because on the first song it connect.
The album will be released on January 10 next year. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.